Today, guys, I'm going to show you the 3 best keyboard shortcuts that are going to completely change how you work on your computer forever. Let's get started. Okay, guys, so I'm just here on my desktop and I have this blank or almost blank Word document, right? And there are 3 shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts specifically, that are going to be complete game changers in how you approach pretty much every single working application, whether that's Microsoft Excel, whether that is Word, or even Google documents like Sheets or Docs. It pretty much crosses every single piece of application that you could possibly imagine. And these are super powerful, super simple, and super easy to use. And once you get into the swing of using them, you're never going to go back to the old ways, right? So let me start with the first one. This is pretty obvious and many people are going to know how to do this, but I'm going to run through it anyway, and because it's the combination of all 3 that make this a complete game changer. So the first one, of course, is copy, right? We all know Ctrl C at this point, right? You'd highlight what you want, you would hit Ctrl C, and you'd go ahead and basically come down here, for example, and go ahead and paste it, right? Some people might still go through the old method, highlight what you want, right click it, copy it, and then go to where you want, and then go ahead and paste it, right? But it's kind of really slow and clunky. But Ctrl C basically speeds the entire process up. Highlight what you want, hold down the Control key, and hit the C key. Well, that's copied it. Then you can go down to where you want to paste it, and for example, right click and paste it. Okay, it's really straightforward. So it's a no-brainer. It's a really simple way to copy. And of course, alongside that one is the most obvious and one of the most used and widely used ones, which is actually then the shortcut to paste, because if you're shortcutting to copy it, you might as well shortcut to paste it, right? So we'd go ahead and we would use Ctrl C to highlight what we want, we'd go Ctrl C to copy it, we'd come down to where we want to paste it, and we'd go Ctrl V, right? And that's automatically going to paste it. And again, we can paste it multiple times over if we want to, just by using Ctrl V, right? Ctrl V, and it's going to continue to paste, right? Really useful to know both of those, right? Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste. So those are really powerful. They're used all of the time by many people, right? Rather than right-clicking copy and right-clicking paste, it's time-consuming. But you notice there's one other thing that I was doing in all of this, which was highlighting this and then trying to copy it, right? Well, there's another shortcut for that too. This is Ctrl A. Now, Ctrl A is going to select everything. And with that, it allows you to then basically make more or make things a little bit quicker, right? Ctrl A is going to select everything. Ctrl C is going to copy everything. And then all I need to do is come down and press Ctrl V. And now I can paste that in multiple times over, right? So it's the combination of all of that that makes your jobs potentially that much easier. Control A would highlight it all. Control C would essentially copy it. We come down and we press Control V to paste it, right? And we can just repeat that process. It makes everything really quick and easy from a data copy and pasting kind of scenario. I know, and I get it, that sometimes you don't want to copy everything, but there are a few use cases where it very much likely is that you are going to be looking to copy everything. For example, right, you might not want to copy everything that's inside an Excel sheet, but maybe you've got a load of text that's inside of a specific cell. Well, you can just click into the cell, like the formula bar, hit Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and you've copied it. Hit the escape key and you're gone, right? It's that quick and that easy. And once you learn to master all of these, the kind of Ctrl plus A, right, is going to be your kind of first one, right, which is going to highlight everything. And then, of course, your Ctrl C, which is going to be your copy, and then your Ctrl V, which is your paste. The combination of these 3 really is a game changer. It can save you multiple hours on your day. So why don't you just give it a go? And so there you have it, right? These are the 3 most powerful shortcut keys that I found in all of my working career. The ability to select everything, to copy it all and paste it just using Ctrl A, C, and V. It's that simple. Now, let me know your thoughts on all of this in the comments down below. If you found it useful, informative, maybe smash the like button and subscribe for more hints and tips. Until the next one though, guys, have a great day.